Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Total Wireless becoming now Total by Verizon. So of course, Verizon is just buying up everything. I mean, this reminds me of when they bought Alltel. Yeah, there we go. I was like, God, it's a long time. So Alltel. So of course, I mean, there's no surprise because Verizon did buy TracFone and all that stuff. So, you know, Total Wireless was part of TracFone, and so Straight Talk, it's the same thing with Straight Talk. So, but now they're changing the name. Now it's going to be Total Wireless. Like I said, now it's becoming Total by Verizon. So they're totally getting away from the wireless portion of the name and just putting by Verizon. Same thing, Visible by Verizon and Straight Talk now by Verizon. So now Total Wireless is actually one of the few companies that I did enjoy back then. So let's go and check them out. So if we go down here, let's go ahead and take a look. So it says, remember guys, on April 4th, Verizon filed a trademark for Total by Verizon. And since early June, Jeff Moore, principal of Wave 7 Research, has been reporting that Total by Verizon would be rolling out on the brand. So it's pretty cool. You know, I don't know if you know, but Total Wireless it's kind of exclusive. Sorry, I tried to get some water. I don't know why my voice is so raspy. It's always when I film too. So it says, if you Total Wireless has been part of Total Wireless has been part of Walmart for a long time now, guys. You mainly see them at Walmart. I mean, sometimes you can see them at Best Buy, but Walmart's the place I really found out about Total Wireless. So now if you go to Walmart's Total Wireless website, now it says, get ready for something big. Find new horizons in September 2022. So it's coming up, guys. You know, it's anytime soon this month. And this is what you'll see when you go to the website. So they do have a website, and it's being leaked that they show the plans. I'll show you the plans. So like I said, this is thanks to Best MVNO and Wave 7 Research and all that stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool, guys. So now, of course, the websites don't work. If you go to them, they'll, you know, they've been taken down, as you can see. They have actually been taken out. So it says Verizon has shut the test site down to the general public. However, an official website at totalbyverizon.com should launch anytime between now and the end of September. So about a week or so. In the meantime, some screenshots test website have been added to the end of the article, and we will read that. But it says there begs to be the question, because a lot of people, guys, they tend to go to a postpaid, not a prepaid brand. Postpaid, of course, is with, you know, you sign a contract for 2 or 3 years, or you do a retail installment for that long. It's not a contract, but, you know, you get promotional discounts. But, you know, a lot of people are going to prepaid now just because of how inflation and rent and everything has gone up, you know. So prepaid is the new target for a lot of carriers, actually. So it says, Total by Verizon plans will start at $30 a month for a plan of 5 gigs of high-speed data. Now remember, they're comparing this to Verizon's prepaid base plan that also offers 5 gigs of high-speed data and starts at $4 a month, but drops down to $25 a month after 9 months due to loyalty discount benefits. Total Wireless does not offer a monthly phone plan with 5 gigs of high-speed data. So Total Wireless currently does not offer anything, but remember, Total by Verizon will offer this $30 a month for 5 gigs of data. Total by Verizon will also offer a $40 plan with 15 gigs of high-speed data. Verizon Prepaid also offers a plan of 15 gigs of high-speed data. Total Wireless does not. So a lot of things, Total Wireless does not offer a lower tier. So remember, prepaid, usually cheaper plans is what they want to offer you, and that's what they get. Now, an exclusive thing that Total by Verizon does have that I like, it says, like Verizon Prepaid, Total by Verizon will also offer 2 unlimited high-speed data plans. So 2 unlimited high-speed data plans. The base unlimited plan will cost $50 a month and comes with 6 months of free Disney Plus subscription. That's not bad, half a year. A perk that was also recently added to Verizon's prepaid unlimited plans. The flagship unlimited plan will cost $60 a month and appears to come with a free Disney Plus subscription that is not just a 6-month trial. That's crazy, because Disney Plus is what, I don't even know how much it is now, $10 a month or something like that. Let's say 8, I don't know. I think it was like 5 now. I think they're bumping up to 8 or 10. Everything's going up. So let's just round it up and say $10. So that's not bad, guys. If you'd like Disney Plus, which I do have a subscription to, for my son and my wife, they do like Disney. That's not bad savings right there. It says all plans include mobile hotspot usage. The 2 cheaper plans also include unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada. The base unlimited plan also allows for unlimited talk and text to 5 countries of the customer's choosing. The flagship unlimited plan includes unlimited talk and text to 69 countries. The flagship plan is the only one to include 5G ultra wideband network access. Although the plans give you 4G LTE and 5G nationwide network access, which actually 5G nationwide is a lot better, in my opinion, just more coverage. Yes, the ultra wideband is faster, but very limited coverage, just to let you know. Here are the plans by Total Wireless. These are the plans. So 30, 40, 50, and 60. 30, you get 5 gigs of speed of data, 2 gigabytes. It's all unlimited. Well, not available in 2Gs on these other ones, I guess. But you do get 2G data. It's all unlimited. Hotspot, of course, it's 5 gigs on the 30. Ultra wideband, no. Talk text in Mexico and Canada, yes. Disney Plus, no. And add a line for 35 is no. Wow. So it's not bad actually if you do multiple lines. I mean, it could get cheaper. So 40, you get 15 gigs, unlimited 2G data. Hotspot's 15 gigs, no wideband. Talking to Mexico, yes. Disney Plus, no. And add a second line for 35, yes. Not bad at all. Now, 50 is unlimited data. So remember, it's unlimited data. But remember, Total Wireless did cap you after 60 gigs. I believe they would kind of check your usage and see if that was a little too much. So that's one thing you got to check. I'm not sure if Total by Verizon will have the same thing, but Total Wireless did. 10 gigs of hotspot on the 50 gig or $50 a month plan. No ultra wideband. Talk to Mexico, yes. But remember, you do get a choose of 5 countries to have unlimited talk and text, which is actually really good. Disney Plus 6 months only, which, add a line for 35, yes. And the big boy 60, which is kind of expensive for prepaid, but unlimited data is not bad at all. Unlimited data on the 60, you get not available on the 2 gigabyte data, I guess, because it's all unlimited 4G either way. 20 gigs of hotspot. You get 5 gigs ultra wideband, yes. So you get 5G ultra wideband, should I say? Talk and text in Mexico, yes. And then Disney Plus, yes. So you do get that subscription for free, and you can add a line for 35, which is not bad at all. It says mix and match multi-line plans get a discount. So it says Total by Verizon's plan will put an emphasis on multi-line discounts. So remember, like I was saying, add a line, you do get a discount. Something that Total Wireless also offers, but Verizon prepaid lacks. So it says customers on the new brand will be able to add 2 or more lines to their accounts that cost at $35 a month. So that's where they're talking about $35 a month. You can add a line for only $35, which is not bad. The $35 line discount is only available to plans priced at $40 or higher. So the $30 a month plan does not have that. An international roaming benefit is also available to customers who purchase 2 or more lines on a plan priced at $40 or higher. The international roaming benefit is not available multi-line purchase of the $30 a month plan. So you do get plan add-ons. The new Total by Verizon will offer global calling cards. Will be available for $10. Allow international calling with rates starting as 1 cent per minute that can be added to any service plan. The calling card is only available for calls originating in the U.S. Unused balances do not roll over. So, a data add-on card is also available, so customers can purchase a $5 of extra high speed for $10, and it will. It says the data will carry over indefinitely and does not expire with active service, which is not bad. So if you add extra 10 gigs of data and you don't use it, it'll just carry over, which is not bad. It's kind of good at just have. But at that point, might as well just get unlimited data, Total by Verizon reward program, similar to Total Wireless. If you guys don't know, they did give you little rewards. We'll also give customers those rewards. It appears that customers will be able to earn rewards for their purchases and services. The rewards can be used to get discounts on future purchases. For instance, the 5 GB data add-on or global calling card will be available to purchase with 1,000 reward points. It says it looks like Total by Verizon will be available for purchase at national retailers as well as through Total by Wireless stores. Pretty cool. They're also thinking about, that's another video. The Total by Verizon stores would place the brand in direct competition with Boost, Metro by T-Mobile, Cricket Wireless, as each competing brand has its own nationwide network of stores. So, pretty sure, like I said, national retailers, it's going to be like Walmart, Best Buy. So you can get them there or through their website. It says there's a store locator available at the Total by Verizon website that you can access here. It also filters the Total by Verizon exclusive locations. So, but here are the plans here, guys. As you can see, different lines: $30, $40, $50, and $60 plan. Like I said, everything that was described, this is what you get. You do get a 5% discount with auto refill or auto pay, which is not bad. So there you go. Disney Plus is for 6 months, but Disney Plus on the $60 a month plan is for the rest of the month, basically, which is not bad at all. Here's the global calling cards and 5 gigs of data add-on. So by this, you get 1,000 reward points. Wow! So you basically you get a free month of this, or I guess with the reward points, which is still not bad at all. Overall, I think this is really good, guys. Total Wireless has been one of the brands, prepaid brands that I've looked at. Yes, they've had a lot of leaks and port out leaks and stuff like that, which is something that kind of gives me a bad taste with TracFone and Straight Talk and all that stuff. And yes, they've made their port out requests a lot harder now. Trust me, I work in a cell phone store, and to get the account number and port out pin is a headache. So they have bumped up their security, which is good, but can be annoying sometimes. So I do like that their security has bumped up. I would definitely love to see how much unlimited data actually you get. Like I said, Total Wireless has been known to give you 60 gigs, but I believe they will bump it up to 100 gigs before they really start looking at your account, which is still a lot of data. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare sign off. Thanks to Best MVNO, really cool, and Wave 7 Research, pretty cool, guys. If you want to support the channel, check out Honey. Honey's a free web browser extension, and find your best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost, Cricket, Walmart, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. Will be in the description below. If you install it and you save some money, I'll get a small kickback, which helps the channel. So check it out. Thanks so much, guys.